Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to make a block. So for example, you can draw rectangle and we draw circle. Now if you want to make these entities to block, you can type W block. So we can save the block objects to another folder. Okay, you can press enter. The next you can click for the pick points, base point. I will click here for base point. And then for object, you can select these two objects. You can save the block into your file here. So default to be set into the document. So we set the names like into example. Or you can click at these icons. You can move to the folder here. Click save and then click OK to create this example DWG block. Now to open again for the new tab in here, new drawings. And if you want to insert the block, you can type insert, press enter, and then searching for your block file. Okay, will be show in the recent input, or you can go to library if you don't see in this recent, and then you can click open block library. So you can searching in your folder. So this is example block, and click open. Will be loadings to input into the paths, and you can click the block. You can insert into the drawing. So that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027 how to make a block.